Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back working on the club cart at the CycleKart workshop, so stick around. So today we're working on putting the belts on the car, plus doing the wiring for the headlights and tail lights. So we got this wiring harness. This is just an LED light bar wiring harness. This is nice because it comes with a fuse, a little fuse block, and has an on-off switch as well, or a button. So this is LED, it lights up when there's power to it, so you know when there's power. And we're going to use the power from a Ryobi battery. So this is a little Ryobi Power Wheels battery converter. This is nice because it has an on-off switch. You can kill the power to it when you don't want power on it. This is what I used on my cart. It works pretty well. So we're going to be modifying this wiring harness to fit our needs. And these are our tail lights and brake lights. We've already got a brake light switch on the cart. And we've got headlights as well for LED headlights, but we might change those to something that looks a little nicer. So, but this is the first step. We got a full crew here today. Garth, Sid, Stevie Joe, Dennis. We're all busy working on stuff. We're getting the kill switch mounted. The exhaust wrap is done. Garth is fine tuning the belt mounts for the little brass pieces for the leather belts. Progress is being made today. It's pretty straight, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're working on getting the belts installed. So we've got them.
Kind of what happens here is the belt bumps into the
Spring?
Yeah. You know, so like it.
Garth is working on an aluminum dash piece. Cover up the steel dash. Got the kill switch installed here. Momentary on switch. And that's hooked up in the back of the motor back here, the yellow wire. That was where the oil level switch went.
Come on. And kind of let it.
Dennis is working on the tail pit section. Are we fiberglassing that together, Dennis?
Yep, I'm just blending it all together
Looks good.
so it'll look like one piece when we're done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this tail looks really, really nice. So we had this off earlier, and it's surprising with as thin as this material feels. Maybe it's less than a 1/16 of an inch, but it's very rigid.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't really flex when you move it. And this, I think this wood structure is obviously going to help that. This has been glued together. And so you can see inside the tail here, lots of room for the motor. So This is really cool. If you watched Dennis's video, you saw where he cut this opening for the gas filler and the cut hole down here for the exhaust pipe. Now we also went ahead and wrapped the exhaust pipe with some
We can probably have this riveted without cleaning.
wrap material to keep the heat down under the cover here. So making some good progress here. All right. Today we got to run the CycleKarts a little bit. Sid and Garth were here today, Stevie, Joe, and Dennis, and we got a lot done. Nothing's quite done complete, but we got a lot of progress. We got the belts installed. That turned out great. Garth made a dash cover and then engine turned that with a wire brush on the drill press. So that's going to go here on the dash. That's going to look awesome. We started working on the wiring harness. I do have a switch under the dash here for the headlights. And the wiring harness is, you see the green thing. Well, the green thing's out here, but the wire harness is going to run through here. And the green part that has the battery is going to be up front there. So, make some good progress. Kill switch is installed, and it's operational. So we have this outside of the car so anybody can get to in case of emergencies. And yeah, great day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Check out Dennis Thomas's channel too. See you next time. Get on the ride and build something cool.